what's up, guys? Okay, we're doing the Impala build, or starting the Impala build. Brandon's putting the shelf up.
Hey.
And we're taking the friggin' hood off, I think, and taking off the accessories. And what else are we doing? What? I'm lost. We're gonna fix up some of the wiring. Get spark plugs out.
Yeah, hopefully get her tore down today. Get her ready to start putting some new parts on.
Yeah, I got some stuff prepared already. Actually, I was gonna show this. That's prepared already. Looks kind of sweet. It's black. It'll burn off, catch on fire. You know, all that good stuff. Other than that, just get at her. Cody's here. Hey, Cody.
Hello.
Too tight of a gap, eh? Show you the other one. Well, that's interesting. All right. Okay, so making some progress, figuring some things out. Kind of more sketchy stuff. I don't know if it's sketchy or just kind of not done as well as I would like to have it done. Yeah, here. So this wire here is, well, it's the main wire for something inside the cabin. Not too sure, but it looks, well, it looks really sketchy. I don't know if you can see that down there. That's a power wire. And it was kind of sort of rubbing a little bit on stuff that it shouldn't be. Other thing is, this is kind of impressive. It has like a little tube here, runs down to the transmission, I'm assuming. And like a random T, for good luck that's somebody jammed something inside of it, to another T that goes to here to with another little attachment. Like this is kind of painful to even look at. So yeah, that's a little sketchy. Not really sketchy, it's just kind of not done very nicely. I'm gonna do it differently.
One time?
Well, it's just some stuff that's kind of done. You know, somebody could have thought about it a little bit.
Oh.
So yeah, that's a thing.
Like the power wire running into the cab off the alternator?
Yeah, the power wire running into the cab off the alternator. Like, I know people do that, but I just don't know why. This might be for that fire ignition box thing that normally people mount on the wall, and especially when you have like the world of engine bay, why wouldn't you mount your MSD box on the firewall, not on the inside of the car? But anyways,
in the car?
Yeah, it's like an MSD comp cam fire thing underneath the dash.
Huh?
Super weird. I don't know if they're trying to be like sneaky. I mean, that doesn't really gain you any horsepower. Maybe? I don't know. Another thing, it's missing 2 bolts on here. Right here and here. It's and this whole aluminum thing really doesn't need to exist. Because it has a push fan. That's the thing. I think I've decided I'm going to clean up. Well, I have decided I'm going to clean up all this here. I don't even know what this is for. I think this
really
that.
for
Oh,
fans.
that's for the push fan. And then the ground effect. Rudolph. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna try our darndest to make this half decent. All right, guys. I realize that you're a little far away, so let's do some closer shots here. I'm just gonna get this off if I can. Ta-da! But what is the thermostat? That's the question. What do we got here? We got a 180 thermostat. Full race for us, boys. Full race. That summer stat. All right, shove your screwdriver in there, and oh yeah, look, it comes out, no problem. I'm just kidding. I had to get a hammer and smash that screwdriver in there for a little bit to get this thing loose. Anyways, lift her off. Oh, damn, son. Bitch is heavy. Oh, look at that. Got ourselves a fancy dancy intake. Which is, you know, really good for RPM, but not much else. Hey, look. That fell on the ground. Wonder where that came from. Oh well. Oh, shit. I know where that came from. That's the throttle cable bushing. Looks mint still. Not. Okay, look at that. Damn, look how fresh it is in here. Alright, I got the gaskets on there and struggled a lot with this putting the silicone on there because, well, mine was, it was half dried up, so I wasn't gonna waste any, so I just cut the damn tube in half. So I had to go full paint by numbers on this one. Just got my finger and just got at her. Kind of annoying. Probably get all that silicone out of that, eh? Huh. That's Akko Taco. It's a thing. Look at that. It's just not the nicest stuff to deal with, but you know what? I'd rather play around with silicone or gasket maker than brake clean or, well, oil or, you know, a ton of other things. So, grab this. We're just gonna attempt to do this one-handed because, well, why not? Just place her on right there. Look at that. Installed. Is my well big enough? I don't know. Sometimes I just like to poop. Some around here too. Huh. I feel like I may or may not have put enough in there. Anyways, I think this will be easier with two hands. That's what it's starting to look like. Just keep at her. So this torqued down. I did it to, torqued it down to 30 foot-pounds. It's whatever the standard small block Chevy spec is. But I'm not sure if it's going to differ with this kit, but I have no instructions for this kit, so I'm not really too worried about it. I mean, it looks really cool. Got this weird flappy thing on here. I don't know if I showed you guys this. See how the flaps open up? You can see through them, and then when it builds boost, it closes those flaps. So again, not a lot of information on this kit, but I'm gonna do my best to kind of show you, slash we'll learn together. So that just goes on there. I kind of guessed with the studs. It only came with 3 studs. So I'm assuming these 3 studs are for that, and then it's going to need a special little small bolt for that. So I'm going to get all the hardware out for these little things and bolt this on. I really want to see if this thing's gonna fit. Actually, I wish I could do that right now. This thing right here, it's been notched out, as I said before. Is it gonna fit? Nope. Not even close. As you guys can see, somebody notched it out already. So I think that's gonna be a little bit of a deal. I think I'm gonna end up making a plate for this, and then running just, instead of this aluminum pipe, run steel, and figure that out, because this is just not going to work. I'm almost tempted to run upside down, but that's not going to work either. I like the guy's optimism for cutting this out. Really sweet, but that ain't going to work. Man, is it tight though. And I really want to keep these valve covers because they look sweet, and I need clearance for the rocker arms, and I don't really like this anyway. So yeah, I guess I'm making something. I'm going to get the turbo mounted on this side today so I can start making that pipe. On to the next step. Well, almost forgot to silicone it. I don't have a gasket with this kit, so it's getting silicone. Need gasket for here. I'm assuming nobody has produced it in the past 1 million years, so silicone it is. Can't see why it wouldn't work. Wouldn't it be funny if I forgot that though? Okay guys, so made big progress. I'm gonna keep wrenching for today, but I'm gonna end the video here. I got the intake on. I kind of started mocking up some stuff. It's looking like it's not gonna be bolt on, kind of sort of at all. If I change the valve cover, I think everything should bolt on relatively easy. But I also really like the look of these valve covers, and I thought it'd be cool to add some sweet piping and stuff. So yeah, anyways, we'll get at it next time. I'm not sure how many parts of this video there will be. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and do all that good stuff so I can keep on doing this, having a good time. And I like to see that people are interested. So peace.